Hello guys. All right, so we are going to now do my shrimp tacos because I made regular beef taco for the kids, but I'm looking, trying to do the figure. Okay, so I'm gonna try something else. I do have some leftover steak from my boo that made it for me last night. Well, made it for us last night. So I am going to add that to it with the shrimp. Hopefully it turns out great. All right, so let's try it. Steak. Steak sauce. Steak and shrimp, steak sauce and vinaigrette. Straight to you. Shrimp and steak. Iceberg lettuce. Cheese. Sour cream. This is so good.